Man. Get out of here, mother. Oh, he's puffing up on me. Get that camera off me. So your wife's mad, Johnny? Sounds like it. Oh, Elvis nailed it.
Dude, that was sick.
Boom! Do you think we can do another one, Johnny, or is it too much?
No, we'll do one more.
Oh.
Dude, that's so badass, it's not worth not doing it.
All the guns are leaving. All right, now you swirl it. Give it a swirl.
Oh yeah.
See it mix, it gets warm. You can feel it get warm.
You can see it changing color too.
It turns all gray.
Yeah.
Once it's all mixed, it's time. Here, catch it! Oh! Get it, boy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He said, "What the fuck? You're going to get the cops out here." And I said, "Haha, what? Was that loud?" She said, "Heck yeah, I felt that through my skin." I said, "Okay, one more." She said, "No, no more. That's too loud. Please don't."
Oh.